Welcome back to another episode of Telegram Files, where we uncover the best money-making Telegram channels to boost your income. Today, I'm excited to introduce FX Academy Signal Group, a Telegram community sharing free Forex and synthetic signals to level up your trading. I'll drop the group's link in the description below. Most of their signals focus on synthetic pairs, which are different from traditional Forex pairs like Euro-USD or metals like gold and silver. Let's check out some of their recent signals to see what they offer. To trade these signals, you'll need a broker that supports synthetic pairs. I've linked a reliable broker in the description where you can trade both synthetic pairs, listed under their derived section, and standard financial pairs. Back to FX Academy Signal Group. It's a goldmine for beginners, packed with resources like a guide called Introduction to Forex, MT5 Explained. MT5, by the way, is the trading app they recommend. You'll also find a link to BabyPips.com, a must-visit site for Forex newbies, which I covered in a previous Telegram Files episode. Check the description for that link too. As you can see here, they've got a bold, new to Forex, with more helpful links to get you started. The group is all about making trading accessible, and they even share additional videos and tools for learning. Now, a quick reminder about the risks. Trading involves a significant risk of loss, so only risk what you can afford to lose. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. You'll see this disclaimer everywhere, and it's crucial to keep in mind. If you're loving Telegram Files and want to support the series, you can donate to the USDT address in the description. It really helps keep the content coming. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to catch every money-making channel in the Telegram Files playlist. See you in the next episode.